Hello everyone. This is just a really quick video for those of you who are looking for the face masks in Design Space. All you have to do is really just go to your home page and they're right there. They should be right there. If you have a document open, just make sure you save it first. Mine is already saved. And these three little lines here, just click on that and then click on Home. And there you go. They have 4 masks here: a small youth face mask, small medium adult face mask, and large adult face mask. And whichever one you click on, just like the rest of them, it gives you a description of what it is. Tells you the finished size here for this one. Tell you what material you need to cut and everything else you need to have as well. Giving you preparation notes and the cut instructions and how to assemble them and so forth. And it's at no cost to you. And it does say here that it's in Cricut Access, but they are free, so you do not need to have a Cricut Access account to use these. They are free. Just so you know, I am using a PC, and I'm pretty sure you can follow these same instructions for a Mac. I cannot tell you what to do with a phone or a tablet or an iPad. I truly don't know how to tell you guys to go about finding these when you're using a phone, an iPad, or a tablet. Sorry, but yeah, that's it. There it is. Once you click on that home page, they should be right there up front, right up under Cricut Access. And I guess you could probably do a search for face mask too, and it would probably bring them up. But yeah, it's just this simple. Hope this helped you guys find it. Thanks. Bye.